In today's video, I'll be showing you guys the best lottery workout for the state of Virginia. So grab a pen, stay with me, and let's break it down. It is good to be back with all of my lottery players, and all of you who are new, it's great to be with you too. So after studying how the numbers are picked, played, and used in VA Pick 4 lottery, I discovered a workout that is very good to use for your state. When trying this workout, I was able to see how the patterns, date sum, and flow all work together. And for today's video, I'm going to break it down step by step so you will know exactly how to use it. For this workout, you guys are going to need your flip and mirror numbers on hand, and if you don't want to go looking for them, here they are so you can write them down. For today's example, I'll be using Virginia previous hit 8147, which came out on February the 12th, 2026, to find our next day hit. So let's dive in. Now the way that you start setting up this workout is by taking your previous hit and mirror all the numbers to it, and put those mirror numbers on your sheet to start your workout. So for me, I'll take my previous hit, which is 8147, and find my mirrors to those numbers, which is 3692, and put those numbers on my sheet to start my workout. This is what that looks like. Once you have your mirror digits from your previous hit in place, you now want to add one more digit to your numbers. The way that you add one more digit to your mirror numbers is by counting up 3 on the last digit and place that digit for the last one. So for me, I will take my last mirror digit, which is 2, and count up 3 from 2, which gives me the digit 5, and place that digit 5 as the last one in my workout. This is what that looks like. After you have your mirror numbers to your previous hit and the last one added on for the starting of the workout, you now want to get the flip digits to them. When getting the flip digits to them, you will place them under the mirror numbers. So for me, I will take my mirror numbers, which is 36925, and find my flip digits to those numbers, which is 69258, and put them under my mirror numbers. Here's what that looks like. Now that you have your mirror and flip numbers in place, it's now time to add your previous hit in with your mirror and flip numbers. When adding your previous hit back, you also want to add one digit to it too for the last digit. And the digit that you add to it is the mirror digit from your top number. So for me, I will take my previous hit number, which is 8147, and add the mirror digit to it from my top number, which is 0, and put those numbers under my flip numbers in the workout. Here's what that looks like. Now that your flips, mirrors, and previous are in place, it's now time to add them up. The only number that you add up is your flip and mirror numbers. Once you get the add to those numbers, you will place it under your previous hit numbers. So for me, I will add my flip and mirror numbers together, which gives me the numbers 95173, and put those numbers under my previous hit numbers in the workout. Here's what that looks like. Now that you have this workout set up, it's now time to apply your date sum digits. Now, being that this is a day-for-day workout, you will need to use that previous hit day to find your next day hit. And what's working best in the state of Virginia right now is mirror flip date sum. The way that you set up this date sum is by starting with the last digit off of that day in the month. When you have the last digit off of that day in the month, you will use this mirror digit, then take that digit from the day in the month in the ones place and put it next to it. So for me, I will use the previous hit day in the month, which is 2, and take the mirror from 2, which is 7, and put 7 and 2 together in that order. This is what that looks like. Once you have that day in the month mirror, you now want to get your flip digit to add to it. The way that you add the flip to it is by getting the flip digit to the last mirror number and put it under that number. So for me, I will get my flip digit to the number 2, which is the number 5, and take the number 5 and put it under the number 2. This is what that looks like. Now that you have your mirror and flip numbers, it's now time to figure out which digit you circle in your workout. The digit that you circle in your workout is your first mirror number and the flip number. So for me, I would take my first mirror number, which is 7, and my flip number, which is 5, and circle those digits in my workout. Here's an example. Now after you have circled those digits in your workout, you now want to go back to those digits you got for the date sum and add those 3 digits up together. When you add them up together, it will give you your first winning digits to your pick 4 numbers. So for me, I will add up 7, 2, and 5, which gives me the number 4, and put that digit in my pick 4 picks list. No need for an example. On February the 13th, 2026, the winning pick 4 hit that came out that day was the numbers 8048. Here's a side by side so you can see the way it came. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There is more in store where that came from, and NC, your video is up next, so make sure to be on the lookout. And if you New Jersey players still want to learn a bit more, I have a mini series going on right now on TikTok where I take you more in depth on how to hit those numbers in your state. I drop 3 videos a week, and I have accurately predicted a winning pick 4 number that has hit in your state. And I will also be dropping a 30-day series with a few live examples on Facebook as well. All links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and feel free to comment.